क्या गिरा? उधर लिखता हुआ चिपकाता हूँ। ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। लेट मी मेक सम ऑफ यू होस्ट। Okay, just give me a minute. I am sharing my screen and then I will make Aditya Prabhu host. Make him host. So, Aditya Raj Prabhu, I request you to please make me co-host ताकि मैं screen share कर सकूं. You can see the option to become co-host. You can make me co-host. So we will be doing this every time because I am expecting more number of people to join now in our sessions. So somebody can become host so that they can admit all the people.
तो जी ये पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने ज्वाइन किया तो ऑप्शन आ रहा है बस.
Yes. So if you go on my name, do right click.
हाँ.
You can see the option make co-host. Try if you can do.
Is it possible for me to do in via phone?
Okay, I think from phone it will be difficult. ठीक है रुको मैं reclaim कर लेता हूँ. So but you can in free time you can study more about Zoom, how to make co-host from phone. From phone also it's possible. लेकिन आपको थोड़ा वो देखना पड़ेगा settings. Okay, we'll begin our session. Let me share my screen. So I hope all of you are able to see my screen. Okay, one more thing I will do. Pin for everyone. Yes. So last session we discussed overview of Brahmacharya. So as I mentioned previously also, this book reading Brahmacharya and Krishna consciousness. हाँ तो एक और चीज जो मैं बता रहा था क्लास के शुरू में, many people they requested to please have the book reading in English. तो what we'll do is we'll read in English, discuss in Hindi, और जो इवनिंग के हमारे सेशंस होते हैं that will continue in our हिंदी रीडिंग. तो एक सेशन इंग्लिश में होगा मॉर्निंग वाला, इवनिंग वाला हिंदी में होगा. सो बैलेंस हो जाएगा. सो पीपल हु वांट टू हैव इन इंग्लिश उनका इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा. सो इन दिस बुक देयर आर अराउंड 50 टॉपिक्स which is written by Bhakti Vikas Maharaj based on Prabhupada book readings. So there are 50 topics. So we will quickly go to the introduction. Introduction we have covered already. तो हम लोग लास्ट सेशन में बात कर रहे थे कि दिस बुक इज नॉट मेंट टू मेक एनीवन ब्रह्मचारी और सन्यासी. दिस बुक इज मेंट टू go deep in our Krishna consciousness, to strictly follow the 4 regulatory principles. No meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling, no illicit sex. और उसके अंदर में जो भी सब कैटेगरीज है, नो पोर्नोग्राफी, नो मास्टरबेशन, नो boyfriend girlfriend business, all these things comes in that. So to save from those bad habits, we are reading this book. Okay, we'll go ahead. तो ये इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है. ठीक है, इट्स अ लॉन्ग introduction. So we'll begin from here. The meaning of brahmacharya. Brahmacharya means celibacy. So I will read one paragraph and then you can read one by one, all of you. Shloka. कर्मणा मनसा वाचा सर्वावस्थासु सर्वदा सर्वत्र मैथुन त्यागो ब्रह्मचर्यम प्रचक्षते. Translation. The vow of brahmacharya is meant to help one completely abstain from sex indulgence in work, words, and mind at all times, under all circumstances, and in all places. याज्ञवल्क्य स्मृति में ये श्लोक आता है. तो वो बता रहे हैं कि BMW, we have to maintain purity from sex activities in our body, in our mind, in our words. So this will be discussed in detail, but I am giving some gross examples. At bodily level, direct indulgence with a woman. This is sex at work, at physical platform. Wordsmith, verbal platform. Verbally using slang language and using those words which will express sexual desire. Words. And mind means thinking about woman. Thinking of watching dirty things and contemplating on those things. We also discussed that verse in our last class. तो जैसे आप लोगों को मैं दिखाता हूँ, इस पे हमने पिछले बार बहुत चर्चा की थी. यद अवधि मम चेत कृष्ण पदार विंदे भवति मुख विकार सुष्टु निष्ठिवनम च. दिस इज 2.60. 2.60 में भगवान ये बोलते हैं कि वी हैव टू डेवलप हायर टेस्ट इन ऑर्डर टू गिव अप लोअर टेस्ट, लाइक यमुनाचार्य. ये हम इसके बारे में हम लोग चर्चा कर चुके हैं. तो body, mind and words in all levels we have to be very pure and free from sex contamination. और हमने इसके बारे में पहले भी चर्चा की है कि सेक्स इज नॉट मेंट फॉर रिक्रिएशन. रिक्रिएशन मतलब वो मनोरंजन के लिए नहीं है. सेक्स इज मेंट फॉर प्रोक्रिएशन. प्रोक्रिएशन, इट इज मेंट टू इंक्रीज योर प्रोजेनी. अपना वंश आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, बच्चे पैदा करने के लिए फैसिलिटी दी गई है. बट व्हेन वी मिसयूज दोस फैसिलिटी, people suffer terribly from diseases like AIDS, HIV, syphilis. So many diseases are there because of misusing the facility provided. There are 8 aspects of brahmacharya as described in Srila Swami's commentary on Srimad Bhagavatam 6.1.12. Smaranam, kirtanam keli, prekshanam, guhya bhashanam, sankalpo, ध्येयवसायश्च, क्रिया निर्वृत्तिरेव च. तो जैसे हमारा श्लोक है ना, श्रवणम कीर्तनम विष्णु स्मरणम पाद सेवनम, तो ये भगवान के विषय में आता है. उसी प्रकार से व्यक्ति जो भगवान से संबंधित नहीं है वो भी श्रवणम स्मरणम करता है, लेकिन किसका? अपोजिट सेक्स का. ही थिंक्स अबाउट एंजॉयमेंट. माया देवी का, कृष्ण का स्मरण नहीं कर रहा है तो माया का स्मरण करेगा. तो वो एग्जाम्पल देते हैं 8 प्रकार की चीजें हमको नहीं करनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट इज स्मरणम, थिंकिंग अबाउट वुमेन, माताओं के बारे में विचार करना. सो व्हेन यू हियर सॉन्ग्स sung by women, इवन हरे कृष्णा म्यूजिक जो कई सारी माताएं गाती है, आप लोगों ने भी शायद सुना होगा. श्रेया घोषाल का भी हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र का है और बहुत सारे प्लेबैक सिंगर्स का है. तो वो सुनने से भी हमारा मति भ्रष्ट हो सकता है. आवर माइंड विल गेट पोल्यूटेड थिंकिंग अबाउट वुमेन थ्रू मूवीज, सॉन्ग्स, बायोग्राफीज. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज कीर्तनम, स्पीकिंग अबाउट सेक्स लाइफ. जब आप बात कर रहे हो तो आपकी बातचीत में व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट सेक्स डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, सो दैट इज प्रोहिबिटेड. केली मीन्स डेली विथ वुमेन, मीन्स लूजली टॉकिंग विथ वुमेन. प्रेक्षणम, लुक लस्टफुली एट वुमेन. जैसे वो आपने सॉन्ग सुना होगा ना, बार बार देखो, 1000 बार देखो. इट्स ऑल लस्ट. वो सिर्फ हमारे काम वासना को बढ़ाता है और कुछ नहीं करेगा. गुह्य भाषणम, टॉक इंटीमेटली विथ वुमेन. फोन पे माताओं के साथ रात रात भर बातें करना. वेरी डेंजरस, वेरी डेंजरस। गुह्य भाषण, उनकी बातें सुनना भी डेंजरस है, बातें करना भी डेंजरस है। टू हियर एंड टॉक टू वुमेन, वेरी वेरी डेंजरस, डेडली। देन संकल्पो, डिसाइड टू एंगेज इन सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स, है ना, होता है ना ऐसा। they plan to meet in hotel or to meet in some lodge or resort and spend night together. Horrible, very dangerous. And then dhyayavasayascha, dhyayas, he endeavor for sex life. He will plan everything. हम लोग महाबलेश्वर जाएंगे, खंडाला जाएंगे, यहाँ जाएंगे, वहां जाएंगे, विल एंजॉय लाइफ, डिस्को में जाएंगे, थिएटर में जाएंगे, वेरी डेंजरस। क्रिया निवृत्ति रेवच, एंगेज इन सेक्स लाइफ, और इतना सब सोचने के बाद वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करता है तो उसका सब कुछ नाश हो जाता है। सो ऑल दिस 8 थिंग्स विच आर मेंशन्ड हियर यू कैन सी इन द लाइफ ऑफ अजामिल। अजामिल इसका क्लासिक एग्जांपल है। एवरीथिंग वाज लॉस्ट एज सुन एज इट केम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद दैट प्रोस्टिट्यूट। उसका जो धर्म था, उसका कुल था, उसका कार्य था, उसका घर था, सब कुछ बर्बाद हो गया। एवरीथिंग वॉज फिनिश्ड। वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ बैड एसोसिएशन। So we can see from our Bhagavatam and scriptures, if you misuse the facility provided, you will be finished very deadly. Okay, somebody else can read. Yes, आदित्य राज प्रभु पढ़िए।
जी प्रभु जी। One who practices brahmacharya is called brahmachari. In the varnashram system, the brahmachari grihastha vanapanyas. According to Vedic principles, the first part of life should be utilized in brahmacharya for the development and spiritual qualities.
Yes, very
Bhagavatam
important.
3.2.
22.19, correct. So he says, one who follows brahmacharya, purity in body, mind and words, is called as a brahmachari. Brahma achariti iti brahmachari. One who absorbs in Brahman. Brahman means Krishna's form, absolute truth. He is brahmachari. And it is very important. First part of our life, especially when you are students till the age of 25, we should strictly follow this principle. So brahmachari को अगर आप इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे, it means student life or pre-married life. In that we should strictly abstain from doing those 8 things जिसके हमने अभी डिस्कशन किया. Very dangerous. I am telling one again and again. I am telling 100 times कि उन चीजों में इंडल्ज होना, इट्स वेरी डेडली. आपका पूरा करियर बर्बाद हो जाएगा. पीपल व्हाई दे आर नॉट एबल टू क्रैक आईआईटी? बिकॉज दे आर डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय देयर क्लासमेट्स, by their girls in the classmate, asking for notes, asking for homework, this and that. Very deadly. Wasting time with girls, going out for outings, meetings, very deadly. In company also, it happens. I am working in company from last 7-8 years, so I know how dirty things happens in company. Married, unmarried, they all do all kinds of nonsense. So इसलिए फिर क्या होता है, आपका प्रमोशन स्टक हो जाता है. यू आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोग्रेस बिकॉज योर माइंड इज डिस्ट्रैक्टेड इन सो मेनी डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस. इसके साथ जाओ, उसके साथ जाओ, यहाँ घूमो, वहां घूमो. आप तरक्की कैसे करोगे? यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू एनी प्रोग्रेस बिकॉज यू आर डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. यस आदित्य प्रभु.
जी,
प्रभु जी
brahmacharya
और
is thus
आचार्य
student life.
No, one question was there. आदित्य प्रभु पूछिए.
प्रभु जी, our Acharya Srila Prabhupada said that this present in modern era the form of government is the democracy. So he said it's demon crazy. So they have formed a government and they are whimsically acting and their business is going on. Just loot the people and plunder them. So this is the business. So Prabhuji, in this democracy, Prabhupada, he stressed on the form of monarchy, where a king is the head and the king is following the religious principles and he is walking on the path of righteousness. In this way, he said he takes the leadership and the path. So in this way, entire so the main thing and all this atmosphere in this present modern era, company and all that. The biggest factor, the umbrella term is also the to setup of the country, na? Due to which all the citizens have been spoiled.
Yeah,
Freedom, they say feminism, they are doing so much of freedom. They are acting in
yeah.
such a way.
It's not about freedom. Problem is they are not given right kind of education. अगर आप उनको बताओगे
Yeah,
ही नहीं कि there is something higher beyond breaking four regulative principles, beyond meat eating, beyond intoxication, gambling, watching pornography, something higher is there in life. तो वो लोग क्या करेंगे? They will remain stuck in the lower platform. अभी if you see in our 100 years ago in Vedic times there was Gurukul system. So right from childhood the boy was trained to learn under the guru, and he was taught that we should look every woman as mother, and when the time will come you will be married to a particular girl, and then you can expand your family. But now they look every woman as their lover. So this is our modern education, that you enjoy with this also, that also, you do whatever you want because everyone is meant for your own enjoyment. जैसे वो बताते हैं ना टीवी में, यू आर द किंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, और क्या बोलते हैं, लिव लाइफ लाइक अ किंग साइज. तो प्रभुपाद बोलते थे लिव लाइक अ किंग एंड डाई लाइक अ रैट. You are living like a king, but your death is like a rat, or worse than that. So, so I heard one news. मतलब one case study was there on internet. कि when Modi ji, when he became prime minister, he wanted to ban all the porn sites. So when he did this attempt, there were many um, oppositions from various groups in parliament, and they said no, you are taking away the right to freedom from the people. You cannot do this. So there was a big protest. How can you ban the porn sites? And again, they had to lift the restriction. Why? Because people are not cooperating. They want to watch and they want to break all regulatory principles and suffer for that. Sometimes government is helpless for two reasons. One is they don't have knowledge themselves. खुद के पास ज्ञान नहीं है तो दूसरों को क्या क्या ज्ञान देंगे, वो खुद फॉलो नहीं करते शास्त्रास को. And second is people are not cooperating. People are not cooperating. So the main reason for suffering is knowledge, lack of knowledge. अगर आपके पास ज्ञान नहीं है, you will suffer like anything in life, whether it is politics or IT field, student field, any field, whether it is brahmacharya ashram, grihastha ashram, any ashram. You should have proper knowledge. For that, we need to approach a guru. That's why guru comes in picture. Where guru is there is all success. So we need blessings of our teachers who can give us right knowledge. Okay. We have 10 minutes left, so we'll quickly go ahead. Okay. Yes. So Aditya Prabhu, आप पढ़िए अभी. Aditya Kumar Prabhu. दो आदित्य होगा. Sometimes it is confusion. Yeah, please read.
Prabhuji, is it me?
Yeah, you only. Please read.
Brahmacharya is thus student life. It was traditionally rigorous, discipline, and motivation of preparing for the future. In all ashrams, devotees are cultivating Krishna consciousness, preparing for the examination of death. But the brahmachari period is specifically meant to senses and subdue the mind, training to be a grihastha, vanaprastha, and sannyasi. The training is by submission to submission to, service to, and worship to the Guru.
Yeah, this we already studied on the first day of our lecture. So if you remember, I began with the verse ब्रह्मचारी गुरुकुले वसम दामतो गुरुहितम. वो गुरुकुल में क्यों रहता है? वो अपने इंद्रियों को दमन करने के लिए और गुरु के हित के लिए, ताकि वो आगे चल के अच्छा गृहस्थ, अच्छा वानप्रस्थ बन सके. Very simple. So ये 7-12-1. This already we discussed on our first session. So we'll go ahead. Nilesh
Prabhuji,
Prabhu?
can one directly enter vanaprastha ashram?
No, there is no scope for that. After coming to Vanprastha also, you will commit blunder. अगर आपका ट्रेनिंग ठीक से नहीं हुआ है तो. A brahmachari can directly become sannyasi. He can skip the two stages, grihastha and vanprastha. But if you are not a brahmachari, then you have to go for grihastha ashram only. We cannot remain hanging in between, like brahmastha category. That also we discussed. It's very dangerous, very deadly. Prabhupada said, don't try to become a bachelor daddy. So bachelor daddy means उसका शादी भी नहीं हुआ है, but he is having so many kids. So that is horrible. So that is something like brahmastha category, in between, neither brahmachari nor grihastha. So that is not allowed. That is very deadly. So better, more important than our externals. I spoke it previously also. Our internals matters. So try to improve your sadhana. Our chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day. Our book reading, like we are doing every day, morning, evening. Our hearing of lectures, hearing from Guru. Yesterday I was there in Chopati. We heard for 2 hours and 1 hour dancing kirtan. So hearing from Guru and hearing from superiors, and then deities, taking darshan of deities. Radha Gopinath, Radha Kunji Bihari, Radha Vrindavan Chandra in Pune we have. And E for Ekadashi. अभी परसों एकादशी आने वाला है. So following एकादशी. एकादशीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो भक्ति आप पूरे महीने भर करते हो, उसका बेनिफिट आपको एक एकादशी करने से मिलता है, जस्ट बाय डूइंग वन एकादशी. तो एकादशी मीन्स डोंट ईट ग्रेन्स. वेरी सिंपल. अवॉइड ईटिंग ग्रेन्स and eat as less as possible and do more reading, more hearing, more chanting. So your life is perfect. So these 5 things you have to do: good association, book reading, chanting, taking darshan of deities, and following एकादशी strictly. So एकादशी जब आता है, सब छोड़ के एकादशी फॉलो करना चाहिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एकादशी हमारे लिए जैकपॉट है. आप उस दिन कृष्णा को बहुत इजीली प्रसन्न कर सकते हैं. So always remember, Ekadashis and festivals comes. Now Kartik month is beginning from this weekend. Kartik month is very important. In the month of Kartik, we offer lamps. So by offering lamps, we are offering our heart to Krishna. ऐसा हमको विचार करना चाहिए. So Kartik month is very important. So like this, these are our golden opportunities to grab more and more mercy from Radha Vrindavan Chandra or Radha Kunji Bihari. उस तरह से. Yes, please go ahead, Nilesh Prabhu. Nilesh Prabhu, पढ़िए.
Prabhuji, he has left the meeting.
He has left. Okay. We have Ankit Prabhu.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please read.
In Indian society, as often
No. In terms of Varnashrama, यहाँ से पढ़िए.
In terms of Varnashrama principles, the highest standard of brahmacharya means the vow not to marry, but to observe strict celibacy. Srimad Bhagavatam 7.12.7. This is called the Brahadvrata, great vow. Brahmacharya. Naisthakya brahmachari refers to one who never wastes his semen at any time. Srimad Bhagavatam 3.24.20. The word Mahavratdhara indicates a brahmachari who has never fallen down. Srimad Bhagavatam 6.
Very important. तो वो बता रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि there are 2 kinds of brahmachari. इसके बारे में हम लोग पहले भी चर्चा कर चुके हैं. One is नैष्ठिक ब्रह्मचारी and one is गृहस्थ ब्रह्मचारी. So नैष्ठिक ब्रह्मचारी का यहाँ पे मीनिंग दिया है कि one who never wastes his semen. जिसने कभी अपना सीमन वीर्य उसका मिसयूज या उसको बर्बाद नहीं किया है. एंड गृहस्थ ब्रह्मचारी मीन्स ही विल यूज सीमन ओनली फॉर प्रोक्रिएशन, ओनली फॉर बिगेटिंग चिल्ड्रन. सो ही इज आल्सो कंसिडर्ड एंड रिस्पेक्टेड एज गुड एज ब्रह्मचारी इन स्क्रिप्चर्स. तो और जो ये नहीं करता है, ही इज अ गोदास, ही इज सर्वेंट ऑफ सेंसेस, जिसका अपने मन और इंद्रियों पे कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं है. तो वो इस तरह से बताता है कि महाव्रत धरः. व्रत मीन्स वाउ, धर मीन्स हु हैज टेकन अ ग्रेट वाउ. So what is the great vow? That I will never waste my time and I will never waste my semen. तो इस तरह से बताते हैं. Yeah, very heavy. We'll go ahead. We have 4 minutes left. So we'll read one more paragraph and stop for today. Yes. Who else is there in the meeting? Okay. ठीक है. आदित्य राज प्रभु आप पढ़िए. Yes, प्रभु. Please read. I think your voice is not coming. आप कैमरा ऑफ करके ट्राई कर सकते हैं. Yeah, please read.
principles, with the ultimate purpose of enjoying civilized sense gratification. Brahmacharya, however, operates on the dynamic principle of knowledge and renunciation, fully engaged in the service of God. Srila Prabhupada, once practicing brahmacharya, should be completely engaged in the service of Lord and should not in any way associate with women. Srimad Bhagavatam 4.28.3. According to the definition of brahmacharya given in Srimad Bhagavatam 7.12.1, an unmarried person who does not live in the Guru's ashram, who has not submitted himself to the rigid life of surrender, and is engaged in the service of his Guru, cannot properly claim to be a brahmachari. The broader meaning of brahmacharya is brahmachariti iti brahmacharya, to act on the spiritual platform.
Yes, very important. So we have completed the first chapter of this book today. तो ये जो लास्ट में बोला है जो उन्होंने प्रभुपाद से कोट किया है कि अनमैरिड पर्सन जो मंदिर में नहीं रह रहा है, ही इज नॉट स्टेइंग इन आश्रम और ही इज नॉट मैरिड ऑल्सो, वो अपने आप को ब्रह्मचारी नहीं बोल सकता. ही कैन नॉट थिंक जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम अनमैरिड आई एम अ ब्रह्मचारी. नो, इवन डॉग्स, मंकीज, हॉग्स, वो लोग भी शादी नहीं करते. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो लोग ब्रह्मचारी बन. नो, ब्रह्मचारी इज अ स्टेट ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्योर, जैसे हमने शुरू में पढ़ा ना, इन योर बॉडी, माइंड एंड वर्ड्स. इन हरे बोला बोलो, उनका स्पीच, उनके एक्शंस, उनके थॉट्स, इन ऑल वेज वी हैव टू बी वेरी प्योर. अदरवाइज विल सिंपली क्रिएट ब्लंडर in the dress of dhoti kurta, tilak, bead bag, kanthimala, shikha, everything. If we are not taking shelter of one of the 4 ashramas, whether it is brahmacharya ashram, grahastha ashram, vanprastha ashram, sannyasa ashram, we are simply creating discrepancies and havoc in our societies. So very important, we have to take shelter. If you are not qualified or if you are not suitable for remaining a brahmachari, we should honestly accept and get married and live a respectful life. But hanging in between like a brahmastha is not at all recommended. And he's telling here that brahmachariti iti brahmacharya, one who acts on the brahman platform, on spiritual platform, is a brahmachari. He may be grahastha also, he may be vanprastha also, he may be brahman, vaishya, kshatriya, shudra, anyone, but he has to act on always on Krishna conscious platform. So this is what we have to remember and always think upon. Yes, Aditya Prabhu, your question.
Right.
Prabhuji,
Uh,
but this grihastha life is too much. One gets a good wife, that good wife. Bad wife, that gets frustrated in that. In
yes,
instances, it becomes very much difficult to practice bhakti.
yeah. So that should give an impetus to become more sincere. Getting a bad wife is also a good fortune. Prabhupada had bad wife. Prabhupada's wife never cooperated. Prabhupada used to give classes and she was drinking tea, coffee separately. So that gave Prabhupada more impetus. I should give up this nonsense home and take to sannyas and preach in the Western country. So it's a blessing to have non-cooperative wife, non-cooperative children. Think from that point of view. So if you are
Yes,
going
Prabhuji.
for a,
Prabhuji, but
yeah, time is less
he
because
managed everything.
yeah, he is a Paramhamsa. He can
Prabhuji,
manage. Yeah,
yes, Prabhuji, that's the point. So
right,
it would not be easy for conditioned souls like us.
right. So we have